Can artificial intelligence replace human creativity? Are artists becoming obsolete? Let's find out. Will AI replace artists? At first, the answer seems obvious. AI can already generate paintings, compose music, write stories, create videos, sometimes in just a few seconds. So, do human artists still matter? Absolutely. Because creating art isn't just about making something beautiful, it's about expressing an experience, a memory, a perspective, a feeling. AI can generate millions of images, but it doesn't know what it feels like to fall in love, lose someone, celebrate a victory, or chase a lifelong dream. That's where human creativity comes from. The future of art may not be humans versus AI. It may be humans using AI as a creative partner. Imagine a filmmaker generating scenes in minutes, a musician experimenting with new melodies instantly, or a designer bringing ideas to life faster than ever before. AI changes how art is created, but humans still decide what is worth creating. Because people don't just connect with great art, they connect with the story behind the artist. And that's something no algorithm can truly replicate.